Hello, welcome to the channel. CBSE Board Exam 2024, Class 12, History. Hope all of you have given your exam well. Today we are going to solve all the 21 MCQs of question paper set B. So the first question is, match the column. Correct option is option D. Duryodhana, eldest son of Dhritarashtra, Gandhari, mother of Duryodhana, Kunti, mother of Pandavas, and Ghatatkacha, son of Hidimba. The second question is, arranging the following. The correct option will be option C, Mahapadmananda, then Ashoka, then Samudragupta, and then Harshvardhana. The third question is regarding Magadha. The correct option will be option A. That means 1, 2 and 4 are correct. That means 3 is wrong answer. Magadha was not a semi-arid area and it used to get enough rainfall. The fourth question is regarding Colin Mackenzie. He was an engineer, surveyor and a cartographer. So the correct option will be option B, Colin Mackenzie. The fifth question is regarding Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta found Indian agriculture very productive because the soil were fertile, which allowed the farmers to produce 2 crops a year. So the correct option will be option A. Mean both are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. The sixth question is, fill in the blanks. The Harappan site of dash is located in present-day Rajasthan. The correct option will be C, Kalibangan. Kalibangan is located in present-day Rajasthan. Seventh question is finding out the correct option. So the correct option will be option D. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. That means the 3 is wrong. Who brought a military precision to the practice of archaeology? It was R.M. Wheeler, not Cunningham. The eighth question is picture based question. The correct option will be option B, Mathura School of Art. This picture of Buddha is of Mathura School of Art. Question number 9 is, which pair is correctly matched? So the correct answer will be C, Chennakeshava temple, that is in Belur, Karnataka. Others were not arranging properly. Chidambaram, situated in Tamil Nadu, Brihadishwara in Tanjavur, and Hajararama temple is in Hampi, Vijayanagara. Question number 10 is, in which of the following district did the riot revolt against Sahukars of the Rayatwari system? The correct option will be option D, Supa district of Pune. Question number 11. The land which was annually cultivated for which crop in succession was called Polaj in the Mughal Empire? So the correct option will be option A, Polaj. Question number 12 is the books and the authors. Abul Fazl, he wrote Aini Akbari. Ibn Battuta, he wrote Rihla. Al-Biruni wrote Kitabul Hind, and Francois Bernier wrote Travels in the Mughal Empire. So the correct option will be option A. Question number 13 is the leaders of the revolt 1857 and they lead from which place? So Kunwar Singh, he lead from Ara district of Bihar, Shahmal from Barut, then Virjish Kadar from Lucknow and Gunu from Singhbhum. So the correct option will be the option C. Question number 14 is very direct question. Who initiated the task of the critical edition of Mahabharata? The correct option will be option C. V.S. Suktankar initiated the task of preparing the critical edition of Mahabharata. Question number 15. Which pair is correctly matched? The correct option will be option B, Mirabai, Rajasthan, because others are not correctly matched. Kabir Das is from Varanasi, UP, Basavanna is from Karnataka, and Shankaradeva is from Assam. Question number 16. Which tribe was engaged in overland trade between India and Afghanistan during the Mughal era? So correct option will be option D, Lohanis. Lohanis tribe were engaged in overland trade between India and Afghanistan during the Mughal era. Question number 17. Who among the following belongs to moderate group of Indian National Congress? So obviously the correct option will be Gopal Krishna Gokhale, because Lal Bal Pal, Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Lala Rajpat Rai, they were extremists, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale, he was a political guru of Gandhiji and he was a moderate leader. Question number 18. For making a strong government at the center, which of the following were discussed in the Constituent Assembly? So the correct option will be option D, 1, 3 and 4. Second will not be the correct option because strong administration at the state level is meaningless in the context of a strong center. Question number 19. Who among the following introduced the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly? So obviously the correct option will be option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. He introduced the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly on 13 December 1946. Khoob ladi mardani wo to jhansi wali rani thi. So who has written these lines to portray Rani Lakshmibai? So correct option will be option D, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan written this line, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Question number 21, the last question. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding Quit India movement? So the correct option will be option D. A series of Praja Mandals were established in princely states. So a series of Praja Mandals were established during 1920 non-cooperation movement, not the Quit India movement. So others are correct regarding the Quit India movements except option D.